Hi, I'm Angela Norris and I work for SpainHomes. Today we're in Polop and I'm going to show you this beautiful villa on a development of 8 villas, 6 already sold. It's absolutely fantastic. And don't forget that we can help you with everything that you need when you're buying your property. If you need an NIE number, a bank account, help you with your mortgage, anything that you might need. So don't forget also to click on the link below this video for all of the details. So at the entrance to this wonderful villa, beautiful modern style villa with the entrance doorway there. The little paveway down to the back garden, the swimming pool. We'll show you that in just a moment. Lovely front gardens here with your main gate entrance and your gated electronic driveway, your electronic gate. Parking for 2 cars on the front here. And this lovely green protected area right in front of the property. It's protected by the council. It can't be built on, so lots of lovely privacy, seclusion, and very nice and peaceful. Okay, so from the front door then, let me take you down the side of the property here to show you the garden and the swimming pool area. And just over this wall here is where they're in the process of building the driveway onto the property here from the road. Building this driveway down the side of the property, down to the garages at the rear. Okay, so coming down the side of the property now. 410 square meters is the whole of the property here. And let me show you this beautiful infinity pool here, 3 by 9 meters. Lots of lovely terrace area to relax there. And the rear of the property here. Lovely modern style building. So on 3 floors, you have your lounge, kitchen, living space, dining area here on this first floor. Upstairs, 2 more bedrooms, 3 bedrooms in total, all en suite. And you also have a further space below. You have a ground floor, or a lower ground floor, should I say, that you can make more living area. But we'll talk about that in just a while. So inside the property now, coming through the front door here with some cabinet space as soon as you come in. There's lots of closet space in this villa. It's quite unusual. So 300 square meters in total, this inside of the villa. And it takes us immediately through to the first bedroom here. Lovely big size bedroom. 19 square meters in this room. With patio doors out to the front garden there. The ensuite bathroom, I'll take you there in just a moment. We're going to show you this part first. It's, you could say it's a walk-in closet really. Lots of space here for your clothes and shoes with your drawers here, and even more closet space to the side here. 2 double wardrobes. So let's take you through to the ensuite. Beautiful walk-in shower there. Power shower head. And double sinks. More storage space underneath. And just around the side of the shower is the toilet. Air conditioning, of course, in every room. So taking us back to the entrance hall here, through to the lounge living area with the patio doors out to the terrace and the swimming pool. But let me take you first to the toilet, the downstairs toilet, your guest toilet. And coming through now to your main living area, beautiful large size living room. Staircase going down, staircase going up. Your dining table. Patio doors across the whole of this room, floor to ceiling, just giving amazing views out the back there. And your kitchen rather, I should say, your kitchen lounge area. So you have your island in the centre here with your cooker hob. And lots of storage space again, your sink here. And there could be a breakfast bar at this side, just so where you can prepare your food. And just behind us here, the rest of the kitchen. So we have your cooker and your microwave. And lots more storage space here. And of course your fridge freezer, incorporated into the kitchen unit. So let's take you this way round. Now 55 square metres is this lounge dining area. So lovely big corner sofa there. I'm just showing you the whole room from this angle. So there's amazing patio doors right the way across the whole of this room. Looking out to your terrace and your swimming pool and the beautiful mountains in the distance. Down to Polop itself. Of course these villas that are being built at the moment, that's the height of the villas, so you'll always have that amazing sea view in the distance there down to Altea Hills. So coming up the stairs now from the kitchen lounge dining area and taking us up the stairs to the other two bedrooms and the lovely top terrace here. Coming through to the first bedroom upstairs. Again, a lovely good size, 19 square metres. Oh, correction, sorry, 17 square metres. With your windows there out to the front garden and that lovely green protected area. Your ensuite. All of the ensuites have underground heating, underfloor heating. So, nice big sink there, toilet, and a beautiful, great big walk-in shower with your power shower head. Again, air conditioning in all of the rooms. And again, you have this wonderful walk-in sort of closet space here. Great big double wardrobes. And taking us back out to the staircase, we'll take a right turn here out to the terrace, to the top terrace. So the top terrace is 50 square metres with that lovely view with the mountains over this side. You have water and electricity up here, so you can have your barbecue. Lovely big terrace area. With that beautiful view down to Polop and the sea in the distance there. And taking us back into the villa now. So through to the third bedroom. Again, a very good size bedroom, 17 square metres, with your ensuite and your wardrobe area here. these patio doors taking you out to the terrace. And again, similar style of these en suites with your sink and your toilet. And a lovely great big walk-in shower there. Through to the double wardrobes here. Lots of closet space, lots of storage space. And out to the terrace that leads off of this last bedroom here. So nice sized terrace. Electricity here. Views over the mountains. Polop and the sea. So leaving the lounge, kitchen, dining area, coming down the stairs now to the underground part of the house, the lower level. So this is the villa. When you buy the property, this will be the area downstairs. Utility room here, large size utility room for your washing machine, dish, tumble dryer, of course. Extremely large boiler. Great size boiler here. And this takes you through to the garage at the rear of the property. So you drive down the side of the property as I showed you, and the entrance to your garage is just at the back here. Parking for 2 cars at the back here. And plenty of storage space. So the potential for this villa is amazing, because if you decide that you want to extend and have more living space, once you've purchased the property and you have all your documents that you need, you then apply for to be able to plan more living space. And here is potentially what you can achieve, which is absolutely amazing. This whole space down here, 85 square meters in total, the space down here. So initially as you come through, you can have your first bathroom, shower, toilet and sink. And this lovely big large living area, your dining lounge, kitchen area here. Taking us through to the first bedroom downstairs here. Initially taking a little left turn here to another bathroom, sink, shower and toilet. So you have 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms down here. Coming into this first bedroom here, 10 square meters. With the windows there obviously out to the back garden, swimming pool. And I can take you out this way and show you the large closet space, double wardrobes here. Back to the main living area, into the second bedroom. 10 square meters. Very similar, again with your double wardrobes on the side. Back out to your main living space and down to the third bedroom here. This one 12 square meters, slightly larger. And your large double wardrobes. Taking us back out to your living space here. Let me show you the kitchen area. So you could potentially have your breakfast bar. Obviously your kitchen, your sink, space for your cooker. Fridge freezer, of course. And another storage area here. Another huge size boiler. So lots of living space, lots of storage space. Potentially for 2 lots of families. But it doesn't end there because potentially there is more. Through this door here, you have the potential to do the exact same thing all over again. And don't forget that we can help you with everything that you need when you're buying your property. If you need an NIE number, a bank account, help you with your mortgage, anything that you might need. So don't forget also to click on the link below this video for all of the details.